Are you ready to transform your financial future? This video will guide you through a proven step-by-step process on how to make $500 a day using AI technologies. Let's dive into the world of automated income. Introduction. Discover the potential of AI to revolutionize income generation. Today, I'll show you how to easily make $500 daily with smart AI applications. Step 1. AI-driven data analysis. Start by using AI tools like IBM Watson or Google AI to analyze market trends and consumer behavior. These insights are crucial for identifying profitable niches. Step 2. Deploy AI marketing tools. Implement AI-driven marketing platforms like HubSpot or Marketo. These tools can automate your advertising campaigns, ensuring maximum reach and conversion with minimal effort. Step 3. Utilize AI for e-commerce. Use AI tools such as Shopify's Kit or Adobe Sensei to optimize your online store. They can manage inventory, personalize customer experiences, and boost sales automatically. Step 4. AI in content creation. Leverage AI content creators like Jasper or Writesonic to generate engaging content that attracts and retains customers. These platforms can produce blog posts, ads, and social media content that drive traffic and sales. Conclusion. AI isn't just the future, it's a powerful tool you can use right now to make $500 daily. Start small, choose the right tools, and scale your efforts. What AI tool will you try first? Comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical AI money-making guides.